In this guide, I'll show you how to sync and pair your Firestick remote to your Firestick when it won't connect. So ensure you have a fresh pack of batteries in, and you want to press and hold the home button for about 12 to 15 seconds. You can also try spam pressing the home button because it's a little bit finicky, but if that doesn't work, what I want you to do is unplug your Firestick from the power supply. If it's a Fire TV, unplug it as well. Then grab your remote and press and hold the home button, the back button, and the left button for about 12 to 15 seconds. This is going to reset the remote, and once you've done that, you can release. Then what you want to do is flip it over and take out the batteries. This is resetting and power cycling your remote. And once the batteries are out, what you want to do is plug your Fire Stick power back in. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and put the batteries back into your remote, and you can put the back cover back on. Then, when you've done that, you want to press and hold the home button on your Fire Stick remote until the light in the top right corner starts flashing, and it'll either be orange or blue, but in most cases, this is a good sign, and test out your remote and see if it works. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.